Hi, I'm Tanja Nixx, and this is the Tanja Nixx Show. Today I want to show you how to make German cheesecake. So I'm gonna get some flour going, and I'm gonna use my awesome mixer here. So let's do the flour, 5.5 ounce. Where's the ounce thing on here? Is there any ounce thing? I don't have my glasses again. Oh, there, 5.5 ounce. That's not that much flour. This is one teaspoon of baking powder. So this is German vanilla sugar. I'm just gonna put the whole pack in. Fuck it, there we go. Butter. Just want to see you. I'm not very organized. This is pretty much how my table looks like when I'm baking. But I don't care. That's the way I bake. German cheesecake is a little different than American cheesecake. You use something that's called Quark. We don't have that here in America, but I went to the Russian store, Eouropa Plus on Geary and 18th, and bought it's called Frischkäse or fresh cheese or sweet cheese. It has a little bit the texture of thicker Greek yogurt. And you also use kind of pudding powder with sugar, and you cook that, and then you add the cheese, and you have egg whites whipped with sugar to make it fluffy. And you have like a short crust base, and on top, to get this weird layer that looks almost like a cake layer, you brush the top with egg yolk and milk. It's one thing that's really important is you need to use a little bit of grated lemon. It makes it so nice. So I hope you enjoy it and you try out the recipe.